What was it? 52 1/4, something like that.
Yeah.
Then we have the dryer vent. What is to the center of that plumbing there? The washer box. I don't think they're going to cover that up, but the main thing is to like hit one receptacle, because that'll tell us where our stud is. And then that box from the left.
It's like 51 3/4.
Okay. And then we've got this switch here, 10 inches, okay. And then here, we've got a receptacle there. See, we'll be able to tell by the drywall nails where the studs are. We just need to get a rough idea.
55.
All right. Hello everyone, it's ArtisanTony, and I wanted to take a minute here to explain what we're doing. We've been doing this for a very long time, where we document our houses that we build before we drywall them. It's really important to go through and get an idea of the locations of everything. You'd be surprised at how you lose your orientation of where things are when you drywall inside. It's a totally different experience, and you'll only understand this until after the first time you've gone through the process. The other thing I wanted to do was feature some music by my son Alex. Music has been a huge part of all of our lives. I basically exposed my children to music basically from birth, and now Alex and Barrett are professional musicians, and this tune is one that Alex just put together. So if you need any music produced or any tunes like this, this one was written, I believe, for a video game, and I just thought it would be neat to play it as we go through the house. I'm going to speed this up, and then I'll have some comments afterwards. So enjoy. Switches on that side of the door, 4.5 inches over. And then we got that